The way I make money is by helping you make money and succeeding. The apprenticeship I offer is free to my agents and partners and is second to none in the industry. I know because I created it myself in my own efforts to become successful. The package I offer my agents is also second to none and allows agents to obtain their first listings within 30 days, just as Crystal, Maureen, and Mike did, as I mentioned earlier. As long as you are willing to do the work, I will make you successful, period. Now, if you are not willing to do the work, please don't waste your time or mine. The fact is, when I saw this real estate tsunami approaching a year and a half ago, I pondered retiring and opening a nice cigar lounge and enjoying the rest of my life. It was then my son Aiden who made me realize that at this time, with my experience, knowledge, it was time to expand. It was time to grow, recruit, train, and build this brokerage and school more solid and stronger as a challenge to my legacy and for his inheritance one day when I am gone.